feeling like I'm second best, someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life? Making you are clear, but you're gonna be in the deep.
OnePlus Buds Pro 2 has manual sound master EQ. The Hans Zimmer soundscape tuning, I believe, is the best you can use on the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. The golden sound is the best thing for me in the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, as I can adjust according to my ears. The Zen mode Air, when you pinch the sensors for 3 seconds, it plays a natural sound which calms you down. The Buds also have a gamer mode which reduces the time between the sounds so you can have a better game. In the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, you can actually adjust, so you can change. If you click 3 times, it opens the voice assistant and you can change into anything as you want.